LR series crawler piling rig, compact in size and easy to transport. It is suitable for operations in narrow areas. Drilling depth, 10 to 25 meters. Drilling diameter, 400 to 2,200 millimeters. Equipped with a standard U-Chi high-power engine, delivering ample power. The powerhead features an integrated design, with a motor using a new, original Chinese brand, offering high torque, easy maintenance, and a long service life. The cabin is safe and comfortable, equipped with an air conditioning system and suspension seats, greatly improving driving comfort. Includes functions such as one-click vertical adjustment, remote control, and automatic piloting. As a factory direct supplier, we provide customized services based on customer requirements.